Hello there and welcome back. Today we'll be using stretchy cord to create a candy flower ring. We'll begin by taking our stretchy cord and placing it through the pony bead in the center of the candy flower. From there we'll pull the string through and begin to add the amount of beads that we'd like to use to wrap around our finger. You can adjust this size. I typically use 8 beads for my finger size, but you can adjust as many beads as you like and even the bead type. Once you are finished securing your beads on your string, you can go ahead and secure the knot of your candy flower. And there you have it, a candy flower ring. Now, if the size of this pony bead is too bulky for your hand, you could also use a perler bead in place of that. It makes it a little bit easier and more lightweight, but this is my preference for my festival looks. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe.